Chicken spring rolls are a popular snack or appetizer that are often served at Asian restaurants or prepared at home. They typically consist of a filling made from cooked and shredded chicken, vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, and bean sprouts, and sometimes noodles, all wrapped in a thin, crispy spring roll wrapper. To make chicken spring rolls, you can start by cooking and shredding the chicken and preparing the vegetables by finely chopping them or shredding them. Next, you will need to soften the spring roll wrappers by dipping them in warm water for a few seconds, and then fill each wrapper with the chicken and vegetable mixture. To fold the spring rolls, start by folding the sides of the wrapper in towards the center, and then roll the wrapper tightly around the filling, similar to rolling a burrito. Seal the end of the wrapper with a little bit of water, and then repeat with the remaining wrappers and filling. Finally, you can fry the spring rolls in hot oil until they are golden brown and crispy, and serve them with a dipping sauce such as sweet chili sauce or peanut sauce. Enjoy!